What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, aka Queen Sorry, and I am back with another video. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Lily. I specialize in all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if you're into that, subscribe. I really recommend it. So guys, as you can already see by the title of this video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful, luscious, gorgeous wig that's on my head right now. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this, stay tuned. And guys, it's not hard, so I recommend you watch. So before we get into this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below, as well as subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and you want more, because I'm coming with a consistency, boo. Okay? And also don't forget to share if this video helped you. It might help another person, so share this video with anyone you think needs it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh my god. God's blessings right now are actually just pouring out.
So I'm going to be using this to tint the lace. When I say I'm excited to install this wig, I'm excited. Like, bruh. So this is how we got it. Y'all can see that it's kind of tinted. Okay, now we're gonna install this baby. Let me get some alcohol, clean my edges, and be back. People usually cut the back, but I don't know why I never do that. So let's do that. I wish you guys can feel this. Like, it's really soft. Like, it's soft. Like, no cap. Like, all honesty, this hair is soft. Like, it's really soft. They did a good one. And I made a good choice purchasing from them. Yeah, we're not having what we had in the last video, and we're gonna pull this all the way forward. Because in the last video, my head was looking like a 5 head. Like, we ain't trying to do that. It's looking good already. I didn't pluck or anything because I feel like when I pluck, the frontal starts to shed and then like it starts to look bald. So like I'm honestly not gonna pluck. And you're not gonna say anything. Y'all, this lace is not allowing me to see. I'm gonna cut it. Because there's no reason why it should be this long. I cannot see anything. This lace covering my eyes. Move the hair, I don't want to cut that. Okay, better. I can see a bit more. Goodness. Y'all ain't got to make the lace that long, like, damn. Y'all probably know by now I use Ghost Bond. All my wigs are glued by Ghost Bond, or I use this. It doesn't really last as long as this, so like if you want your wigs to stay on for like a week plus, I would recommend this. But if you're trying to take it off, like this, like, it depends. I'm gonna be using this because I want this wig to stay on for quite some time, even though I don't like wearing wigs for a long period of time. Like having it on my head. I don't like having it on my head for long periods of time, but I think this one is gonna be good. So we're gonna use this and make sure it stays, you know? Y'all, if you're worried about your edges getting ruined while installing wigs, make sure to properly remove your wigs. Because I feel like the most times when people complain that their edges get ruined when they put on wigs is like if they're just ripping their wigs off. If you're ripping your wig off, the glue is gonna rip with the wig, and the glue that's on your edges will rip your edges out. That's the only way I see. This is like the second scariest part of installing hair. Putting the lace on the glue. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all don't even say anything. Yes, I'm being aggressive with it because I need this baby to, oh my god, I feel it lifting. I feel that I should have put extra glue. You know what, I'm gonna do that after, because it's always the sideburns that lift. Those babies always want to lift. Don't know where they're going, but they always want to lift. Gonna put more glue here on the sideburns because it always lifts and I don't want it to lift. Y'all, my hot comb broke, so yeah, I'm gonna have to use a hair straightener for everything. I've seen a girl put on her elastic band like this, like the opposite way that like everyone else does it, and I'm like, honestly, why not like this? It's easier. Maybe I should do like a install and discuss. What should I name it? Wig and whisper. Whispers and wigs. Bro, I don't know. I'm trying to make it. Listen. Give me a title where we're gonna be installing wigs, where I install wigs, and we just talk, because why not? Words and wigs. Laughters and lays. I don't know. Okay. That's enough for me. Y'all comment down below if you think that's a good idea and if like you would actually watch it. Where like I install wigs or I do get ready with me's and we just kind of discuss, because at this point I talk too much, I have a lot to say, and I'm not going to keep explaining what I'm doing in my video, except for if it's new. If it's new, then obviously like I'll be like, okay, I learned this new method, but honestly it's the same stuff I've been doing, so yeah. I should really add timestamps to my content, to my videos, because sometimes like people are like, cut to the chase, sis, and I'm like, no, I'm here to discuss with my fellow YouTubers, those who listen to me, and those who actually want to hear what I have to say. But those of you who are just here for the wig, skip to the end, because I know that's what you're here for. Y'all, you know how I said my hot comb doesn't work? I plugged it in behind me since this video started. Me thinking it's not working, just to try it out, I plugged it in. And tell me why I'm smelling something burning. I turned around and I'm like, is it the hot comb? I touch it. Oh, my finger. So I guess my hot comb works now. I already ordered a new one. But we're gonna use it. That hurt. That really hurt. Okay. I think it's time to take it off. And it's so easy because it's in the front. You don't have to struggle in the back. I sprayed it down. I wrapped it up again. And we'll see how it turns out after. And yeah. So I just sprayed my hair with like a bit of water, but I want the curls to stay like this. So what I'm gonna do is put some moisturizer in it. So I'm putting this in my hair throughout. Oh my god, this smells so good.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the curls are much more defined. I think I'm gonna put a little more. No, I think should I leave it or should I put more? I'm gonna just leave it. Too much. Okay, I don't want it to weigh it down too much, but I like this. Oh, this hot comb is really like trash because 2 seconds ago just burned me. Then the next minute I pick it up and it's cold. And now it almost burned me again. But yeah. Let's see the results underneath. Praying that this looks good, because this is how the hair turned out. Y'all, I'm actually loving this wig so much. Like, it's crazy how much I actually love the wig. Like, look at the curls. This thing is soft, and it's so soft. So y'all can see the hair. It's giving. I don't usually do color, but like there's something about this that just like, I'm that chick. Like, I'm her. You can't tell me nothing. When I'm in this wig, don't talk to me. Like, no, don't talk to me unless it's to compliment me. Then thank you. Got this wig from Hairacle Wig Official Store on AliExpress. The wig is a 13x4 frontal wig. It is 28 inches and it is 180% density. This is their highlight ombre lace front wig, curly human hair wigs, honey blonde, colored HD, deep wave frontal wigs for black women. They had to throw that in there because they know that black women be on this. But yup, it is a curly wig and I'm loving it. I only have like one other curly wig and this is the other one I have. And I'm loving it. Like, I usually do straight, but I'm actually loving the curly. Like, I don't know, there's something about it that just gives, you know? I think I'm gonna be into this curly face for a while. So this is the moment that you guys were waiting for. I know you're asking yourselves, how much was this hair? Because we do not pay expensive prices here. We do not pay full price here. So how much was this hair that you're telling us about, sis? So this hair was originally $235.46, and that's in Canadian dollars. But I paid, I paid $198.57. Baby, what did I tell you? We do not pay what? We do not pay what? Full price over here. You bet you I made a $230 wig come down all the way to $190 something. Like, rock with me and you'll know how to save money on things and not pay full price, because it's not worth it. This hair is definitely beautiful. All the things I get are nice, but paying full price is just like, it's not the motive. Like, it's not it. Like, let's just be honest with ourselves. If you want it, you could get it, but for a discount. AliExpress has like a lot of codes that you can use. You can also accumulate points on AliExpress by doing stuff. So I really recommend you guys check that out and get into it, because don't pay full price. I'm telling you, sis. I'm telling you, do not pay full price. You can get a discount one way or the other. Find it out. Find it. You know what? Maybe I'm actually going to do a shop with me one day, because y'all need to see how I save money on my stuff. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think I need to improve on, or what you like about this hair or this video, and also subscribe and hit the post notification bell too, because you need to be notified every time I post, so that you come back and you see me and I see you and we see each other, and now we have a mutual understanding that we're besties now. Cause what? Also guys, follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram and TikTok, at lil_sweetie. That is LIL_SWEETII. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, of course, and I'll see you in my next. Bye. Love you. God bless. Follow me so we could be besties and I could give you more tea. Hey, and you could be happy. Period. I'm done. Bye.